Innovation is what drives us here at Deakin University. We are pioneers. We are changing the game of the education industry.
Our focus is on using new technologies that haven't been available to be used in the past to do amazing things to improve the digital student experience.
I feel like Scout is a game changer because it is bringing together enormously rich information about the people on campus, as well as just presenting other tools that are part of your electronic experience.
So Deakin Scout is our opt-in campus wayfinding companion. And it works in a way that when students, staff and visitors come on campus and move around campus, it provides them a personalised private experience to help them move around more effectively.
Through hyper-personalization at massive scale and injecting technology to our buildings, we have added a new layer of warmth to our campuses.
So imagine you're a student and it's O Week and you've walked onto the campus for the first time. I remember my first time. You walk in and there's a lot of buildings around you, there's people moving everywhere, and you can't see the thing that you're supposed to be getting to. Where do you start? The way that Scout works is that it locates you. So to start with, it tells you what building you're in, which part of it you're in, what's around you. And you start to feel anchored.
In essence, Scout quietens the visual noise. It takes away what could be quite a lot of stress going into a new and different environment and makes what could be quite a complex journey from one place to another a really simple one.
Scout uses an enormous amount of data pulled from all sorts of sources around campus. We have a built environment here which is part of the Internet of Things, and every building is aware of the people within it. So all of that data comes together to tell you what's going on.
When we use technology to take friction out of our day-to-day experiences, we enhance the life of our students and staff. We increase their productivity and we let them focus on what is really important.
On the phone, there are sensors that can tell you how the phone is moving. And there are the cameras, which you can point at a wall, point at a sign, and find out more about where you are. As we further develop Scout, it can use neural networks to process these images, together with sensors, Wi-Fi, and geolocation, to perfectly locate your starting point, which is essential for telling you which way to go.
And not only that, it can also help you find other things like other people, on an opt-in basis, of course, but hooking people up with the people that they know, helping them find study groups, helping them find, locations where activity is going on is one of the major benefits of Scout.
Hey, sorry guys. Can I grab that seat?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, man.
In this particular instance with Deakin Scout, we've managed to solve a problem that makes people feel very nervous and very stressed. If we can take away any of that feeling, then we're winning.
It sounds so simple and it is so incredibly hard to do, but if you can achieve it and people start taking you for granted from that point on, that to me is the ultimate win.
To deliver something that your customers love, that moment is magic.